The world is still. A gentle breeze whispers through the leaves. It carries the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers. Listen closely. You can hear the first stirrings of life. A lone bird sings its clear, sweet melody. It is a call to the rising sun. This is the quiet magic of dawn, a time when nature slowly awakens. It unfolds its beauty for a new day. The air is cool and fresh, untouched. Deep in the forest, tiny creatures begin to move. Insects emerge from their nightly shelters. Dewdrops cling to spiderwebs like tiny diamonds. They glisten in the soft early light. A small stream murmurs softly nearby. Its waters flow over smooth, moss-covered stones. This gentle sound is a constant presence. It is the heartbeat of the wild. Every rustle, every chirp, every sigh of the wind is part of this symphony, a symphony that has played for millennia. The light grows stronger. It paints the sky in hues of orange and pink. Shadows shorten. The world becomes more defined. Flowers, heavy with dew, slowly open their petals. They turn their faces towards the warmth. Nature is a vast, interconnected web. Every living thing, no matter how small, plays a crucial role. Consider the humble bee. It flits from flower to flower. It seems to be simply gathering nectar for itself. But it is doing so much more. As it travels, it carries pollen. This pollen is vital for the plants. It allows them to produce seeds and create new life. This is pollination, a simple act with profound consequences. Without bees and other pollinators, many plants could not reproduce. Fields of wildflowers would vanish, fruit trees would bear no fruit. The impact would ripple outwards, affecting countless other creatures that depend on these plants for food, for shelter. The bee, in its daily quest for sustenance, supports entire ecosystems. It is a tiny engineer of biodiversity. Its work ensures the richness and variety of life. This is a perfect example of nature's intricate design. In the soil beneath our feet, fungi and bacteria work tirelessly. They break down dead organic matter. They release nutrients back into the earth. These nutrients then feed the plants, allowing them to grow strong and healthy. This cycle of decay and renewal is fundamental. It keeps the soil fertile. It supports all life on land. Beneath the ocean surface lie vibrant worlds. These are the coral reefs. They are often called the rainforests of the sea, and for good reason. These structures, built by tiny animals called polyps, teem with life. Coral polyps themselves live in partnership. Tiny algae live within their tissues. The algae provide the coral with food through photosynthesis. In return, the coral provides the algae with a safe home. This is a perfect symbiosis, a relationship of mutual benefit. These coral structures create complex habitats. They provide shelter and food for thousands of species. Brightly colored fish dart in and out of the coral branches. Crabs and shrimp find refuge in the crevices. Larger predators like sharks and groupers patrol the reef edges. The diversity of life here is astounding. Each creature has its niche. Each plays a part in the reef's intricate ecosystem. This bustling metropolis operates in perfect harmony, a delicate balance maintained over eons. Coral reefs are not just beautiful, they are also incredibly important. They protect coastlines from storms and erosion. They're a vital source of food for millions of people. They support fisheries and tourism industries. Water is the lifeblood of our planet. It connects every ecosystem, every living thing. Its journey is a continuous cycle, an everlasting dance. The sun's warmth draws water from oceans, lakes, and rivers. It rises as invisible vapor into the atmosphere. This is evaporation. High above the earth, this vapor cools. It condenses to form clouds. These clouds drift with the winds, carrying their precious cargo across vast distances. Eventually, the water returns to Earth as rain, snow, or hail. This is precipitation. Some of this water falls directly back into the oceans. Some falls on land. It seeps into the ground, replenishing aquifers. It flows into rivers, carving paths through the landscape. It nourishes forests and grasslands. It sustains wildlife. This constant movement of water shapes our world. It makes life possible. It is a process of purification and renewal. The water cycle demonstrates nature's interconnectedness on a grand scale. Water from a distant ocean can fall as rain on a mountain range. It can then flow down to a fertile plain, supporting agriculture and communities. The health of our forests affects the quality of our water. Trees help to absorb rainfall. Section 5. A tapestry unraveling the human imprint. For millennia, nature has maintained a delicate balance. Ecosystems have thrived in harmony. Species have coexisted, adapting and evolving together. But in recent times, a new force has emerged. A force capable of altering the planet on an unprecedented scale. That force is humanity. Our activities are leaving a deep imprint on the natural world. Sometimes this imprint disrupts the harmony. It causes the intricate tapestry of life to unravel. One of the most pervasive issues is pollution. Our industries generate waste. Our agriculture generates waste. Our daily lives generate waste. Much of this waste finds its way into the environment. Plastics choke our oceans, threatening marine life from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. Chemical pollutants contaminate our rivers and soils. They harm wildlife and can impact human health. Air pollution veils our cities. It affects the climate. The purity of nature is being compromised. The sheer scale of human consumption places enormous pressure on natural resources. We extract minerals from the earth. Section 6. The vanishing green forests in peril. Forests are the lungs of our planet. They breathe in carbon dioxide and exhale the oxygen we need to survive. They are home to an incredible array of life, from towering trees to tiny insects, from elusive mammals to vibrant birds. These complex ecosystems play a vital role in regulating the global climate. They influence rainfall patterns. They store vast amounts of carbon, keeping it out of the atmosphere. Their health is crucial for the health of the entire planet. Yet, our forests are disappearing at an alarming rate. Deforestation, driven by agriculture, logging and urban expansion, is clearing vast swathes of woodland. Ancient forests which have stood for centuries are being felled. Unique habitats are being destroyed. Countless species are losing their homes. This loss of biodiversity is a tragedy. It diminishes the richness of our world. It disrupts the delicate balance of nature. The silence of a felled forest is a stark reminder of what we stand to lose. The consequences of deforestation are profound. When forests are cleared, the carbon they store is released into the atmosphere. This contributes to climate change. The loss of tree cover leads to soil erosion. Section 7. Mending the web pathways to restoration. The challenges facing our planet are significant. The harmony of nature has been disrupted, but despair is not the answer. We have the knowledge, we have the ingenuity, we have the capacity to make a positive change. The path to restoration begins with understanding our impact, understanding the interconnectedness of life, and understanding that we are part of nature, not separate from it. This shift in perspective is crucial. One of the most powerful tools we have is conservation. Protecting natural habitats is essential. National parks and wildlife reserves provide safe havens for species. They allow ecosystems to function naturally. Marine protected areas can help ocean life recover, allowing fish stocks to replenish and coral reefs to heal. These protected areas are like anchors. They hold on to biodiversity. They preserve the intricate web of life. They are investments in our planet's future and in our own. Beyond protection, we must also focus on restoration, healing the damage that has been done. Reforestation projects can bring life back to degraded lands. Section 8. A future in harmony, our shared responsibility. The Earth is our only home. It is a place of breathtaking beauty, of incredible diversity, of intricate harmony. For too long, we have taken its wonders for granted. We have disrupted its delicate balances, but the story does not have to end there. Nature is resilient. It has an extraordinary ability to heal, to adapt, and we too have the capacity for change, for compassion, for wisdom. We can choose a different path. Imagine a future where cities are green, where clean energy powers our world, where forests flourish and oceans teem with life. A future where humans live in true partnership with nature. This is not a distant dream. It is a possibility. It requires a collective effort from individuals, from communities, from nations. It requires us to value the long-term health of our planet above short-term gains. It requires us to listen to the whispers of nature and to act accordingly. The young people of today understand this. They are raising their voices. They are demanding action. They know that their future depends on the choices we make now. We owe it to them. We owe it to all future generations to protect this precious planet, to restore its harmonies.